Hello everyone. So I was doing my hair, struggling, and I thought let me just let you guys in on the struggle. Anyway, so this morning I tried to do basically in like two parts. I first under the shower I just wet it, and then I put one of my favorite products. And the thing is I have to still wet it some more just because it's impossible. Listen, impossible for me to comb my hair on my own, just give myself that torture without my hair being wet. I know some people are against that because it takes out a lot of hair, and honestly I could reduce the amount, okay? I don't mind. So I need to brush it only, and I don't comb with a huge ass brush with huge teeth. So more. And then normally after that I just do a protective style, so I part it in like 6 and then braid each part. So just like normal 3-way braids or twists in like 6 or 8 of them, with some oil, with some gel if I can. Make sure it's dry. Before I used to do it whilst it was wet. Now I use the diffuser hair dryer. Anyway, so I'll show you later when I do. Today I just have to go out anyway, so I can't show you the protective style. So I'm just showing you the detangling when I'm not under the shower. Listen, this is gonna take some time. So I'll show you one day when I am doing the protective style, and then show you when I do open the twist outs. Now I don't know.
Une éternité plus tard.
If I don't have it in any protective style, I'm screwed, but I'm going out. So I can't go out looking all protective right now. I don't know. I can't even leave it like this anyway. Just -20 today here in Montreal. Freezing cold. I'm gonna freeze. I just like freeze on my ass. So I can't leave it out, even if it wasn't cold. The moment I leave it out, it just takes another life of its own, and it defies gravity like black hair does. We're proud of it and all, but then I have to deal with the gravity defiance when I get home and like detangle it again, probably wet it again and try to, yeah. So I prefer really always tying it after it's wet like this, trying to just constrict it, just beat it into shape. Now what shape? Who knows? Well, I'll show you the final. Okay, I'm gonna put some Maude Care. It's shea butter, whipped shea butter, good for the skin and the hair. That's what I'm gonna be using today to try to just shape it. Just oil it into submission. Just trying to oil it, and I don't want to finish my Maude Care because I prefer really keeping it as long as I want to, because I need it so bad. And because it's good for the skin, I can put it all over the scalp area without being afraid, and it smells so good. This is the eucalyptus scent. So good. The smell, I tell you, I wish we had some like sensor that you could smell this. It's magical. Actually, magical. Yes, that's Maude Care. Alrighty. Okay, so I'm gonna keep putting some oil. Do you see this? Do you actually see? Oh, you know? Some people are like, wow, nice, so lucky. And I am. I thank God. But the work when you're in the Western countries and you don't find a black hair salon every 5 seconds or everywhere you go, and then now somehow in the hair salons nobody takes time to wash your hair and then do all these things. So you gotta wash it at home and then go to the hair salon to style it. Even if they took time, they'll take so long that I prefer just doing some of the job at home and then going there just to style. So that's the struggle. That is the struggle for moi. Also, who has the money to go to the hairstylist like once a month? Even is too much, honestly. Extra charged. I cannot do hairstyle for adults, only girls. Only little girl hairstyles what I know how to do with this one. No. Oh. Oh my gosh, it's tangling into the finger. Okay. Come on now. Twice. Just a little 2 times. And put it up first maybe. And I can tie it. Okay. Okay. And I still have to be holding the bottom so that it doesn't. Okay, two nods. We're almost there. Okay, I need maybe a third one because it's not tight enough. Come on. Third one. Let's go for it. I'm going for this plastic hair wraps. Elastic plastic. Fun string looking hair ties. What is going What is going on over here? Yeah. Okay, more pants. This is what we're gonna do with the rest. What? Okay. What else do I do with this then? Like, cause you know this looks great. Oh my god. I'm making an announcement. Can someone lend me that the dad who's in that little girl and dad cartoon? The short, was it a short movie which was a cartoon with this like black dad and his little black girl, and they were so cute. And he had to learn how to do her hair, so now he mastered the hair after her mom, I think, passed away. Well, I need him. I need that guy. Like, where's the guy that's right behind me trying to figure this out with me? And this is the thing, like, once you're not in a house with women anymore and you just have a man who you're living with, there's no, like, who's going to help you anymore with this except for the hairstylist. So you better have a good career. I don't know what I'm going to do. Do you know what? I'll own it. I'm just gonna step out like this, just wear my sexy dress. Make it look like this was all on purpose. People, this is a style right here. This is a style, isn't it though? I need that guy. I need that cartoon guy, please. SOS. Oh, okay. Motto for my hair is do not give up. So I'm doing a little braid, and then I liked this curl, so I took it out. Yeah, so it doesn't go and dry in the wind and gets all poofy. How cute! I wish I had like a nicer curl also to just could you like right here. I have this tiny one, but I'm just gonna bank on it, you know, just use it to the best of its ability. I'm gonna curl that thing like it's never been curled before. Look how cute. Never give up. Never give up on your hair. How much am I looking like a kindergartner right now? I'm sure she does her hair even better than me by herself or with the help of parents. Am I able to remove this one? Oh, okay, it's not that long. Okay. Ooh. Alrighty, so this one wants to go here. This is what we're gonna let you do. We're gonna let you just go there where you want to. So under the behind the ear. Fine, that's where you want to be. Because now it looks like nothing compared to this curl. Yes, give me life. Okay. Now I'm just gonna, what do I do? Yeah, I have to put some gel just to make it more snatched over here, or not? Cause yeah, no, I will. This gel, I got it from this natural hair salon here in Montreal. It's called My Gel and it's all natural because it doesn't really stay after one day. Like 24 hours it's done. It says goodbye. Oh no, it's fine. The color is giving me. And then the baby hair situation over here. which honestly I don't need to keep like to do a whole thing for my baby hair. Baby hair is already there. It's more than enough baby hair. I spend my life trying to style baby hair. So I just do this. My hand. I could use a brush, I suppose. I could use a toothbrush. And now here we go. Ah, now let's do the curl. Now these curls are looking good. I'm gonna wet my fingers, put a little tiny bit of gel, and try to make this one be What is going on? What is going on? Why are you straight now? Like the whole hair is curly. Now I'm trying to just get one nice curl at the front, and this is what's happening. Like, I suppose because the front texture is so different from the back. Because look at the back. Look at this nice little curl over here. Do it. Do it. Okay. How much? Oh. All right. Not too bad. 2 curls in. Not too bad. Not too bad. All right. And then this little bit here, I can just put there. So this is a thread. We get it from West Africa. Like this plasticky thread that we make nice hairstyle with.
No, I'll be there. No, I'll never forget that day. No, never forget that day. No, there. No, I'll be there. No, I'll never forget that day. No, never forget that day. No, there. No, I'll be there. No.
Started to. Now we're here. Now we're here. Now we're here. Now we're here. Finally, we listen to it and you listen to us. Bye, everybody.